If you want to install the YouCut video editing app on your Android device, then just follow these simple steps. Open up the Google Play Store on your device and now look for the search box. Go ahead and tap on it, and now just type in YouCut to begin your search. When you find the application, you can tap on it and you can check out the application details and various reviews left by users as well. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the application. Just wait for a while until the process is completed. And you can also enable the auto open toggle, which will open up the application automatically when the installation is done. Once the application is opened up, you can immediately start editing your first video, check out the features of the Pro version, and explore the various different features. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install and start using the YouCut application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.